Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x in this equation, where we have root x plus root 2 equals 2. So here we are going to consider from this identity that says, suppose we have a plus b raised to power of 2. We have this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is what we have for this identity. So suppose we let our a to be root 2 and we let our b to be root x. So by substituting it in this, we are going to have this as root 2 raised to power of 2 plus 2 root 2 multiplied by root x plus root x raised to power of 2, everything equals 2 to the power of 2. So this is just like we take the square of both sides. Then we have this and this cancelled, so that we have 2 plus, here we have 2, but here we're having root 2 and root x, so we can combine both of them so that they work under one root. Then we have this as 2x, then plus, so this and this also cancelled, and we have only x. Everything equals 4. So after having this, so we proceed by transferring 2 and x to other side, and at this point we have 2 root 2x equals 4 minus, by taking 2 we have it as 4 minus 2, then x again we have minus x. So here we have 2 root 2x equals, so 4 minus 2, that gives us 2, then minus x. So having this, the next thing is we are going to take the square of both sides for the second time. So by doing that, we have 2 root 2x raised to power of 2 equals 2 minus x raised to power of 2. So the reason for this is to cancel the root. Then by rule of indices, we are going to have 2 taking square. So when 2 takes square, then we also have the square root of 2x. So this is also taking its own square. So by product rule of indices. So here we have 2 minus x to the power of 2. By expanding this also, we have it as 4 minus 4x plus x raised to the power of 2. So we have to further, 2 square, it means 4. Then by cancelling this, we have this as multiplied by 2x equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared. So then we take the whole of this. Suppose we take the whole of this here. So at this point, we have it as 0 equals, so when this is coming here, 4 multiplied by 2x, that gives us 8x. And it comes with minus 8x. So here is plus 4 minus 4x plus x squared. So next we have the proper rearrangement is, let's start with x squared. We have this as x to the power of 2. So here is minus 8x minus 4x. That gives us minus 12x. And here is plus 4 equals 0. We have this as a quadratic equation. So we solve this one quadratically by considering the identity, the coefficient of all this as a equals 1, and we have b equals minus 12, as we have c equals 4. So we try to substitute it in this formula, which says x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here is where we are going to plug in all these parameters. So by plugging it there, we have this equals, so 12 is coming with minus, then when it's multiplied this minus, it becomes plus. So I have it as plus 12. And here is plus or minus the square root of, so when we plug in minus 12 square, that is going to give us 144 minus, so 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. Then multiply by 4 again, that gives us 16. Then divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. So we further, this equals 12 plus or minus the square root of, by taking 16 out of 144, we get 128 divided by 2. So we also proceed by letting this to be 12 plus or minus. So here, which is square root of 128, we can split it as the square root of 64 multiplied by 2. Then everything divided by 2. So by rule of sort, we have this equals 12 plus or minus. We separate it and we take the square root of 64, that gives us 8. So we leave the rest in root 2 divided by 2. And again, we have this equals, so by factoring out 2 here and divide this one by 2, and also factor out 2 here, we divide it by 2. So which means the whole of this thing becomes 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. And this is the values of x. But if you can check this thing properly, since the power of x here in the radical equation we are given above is 1, it means it only requires just one solution. So which one are we going for? Is it positive or negative? Now, so the answer for this one is only 6 minus 4 root 2. This is the only satisfying solution. So for the positive, it does not satisfy it. And we go for this. So we can test for that by taking our pen and do it properly. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do it to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.